Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning z-index properties in CSS. Watch this video till the end. Z-index. The z-index property specifies the stack order of an element. The element can have a positive or negative stack order. Let's see some quick demonstration. Here we have taken 3 div elements first, middle and last. Each div element is styled differently. Now let's assign z-index value to each div. Note, z-index value can be negative as well as positive. If any div has greater z-index value, it means it will overlap the other div element. As you can see, the div element with z-index 2 overlaps div with z-index 1. The first div element z-index value is set as -1, which is the smallest value as compared to other div elements, so it will go behind other div, and if we set it to 3, the greatest value compared to other div elements, then it will overlap other div elements. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.